Hey there, parents! Are you looking for a reliable and experienced tutor for your child? Look no further. I'm Jaros John Pitadena, a licensed professional teacher with 5 years of teaching experience, specializing in guidance counseling, personal development trainings, music composition, and a wide array of skills in literature and art. I'm offering online tutorials for students of all ages, from grades 5 to 10, and I'm here to help them excel in any subject. Each session is 1 hour long, and I'm available from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday to Friday. On Saturdays, I'll be conducting assessment for all enrolled students. For just 2,000 pesos per month, your child can enjoy a personalized learning experience tailored to their needs. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. So what are you waiting for? Click that like button, follow me, and send me a PM to get started. Let's make this a great learning journey together.